Refer to the exhibit. After the configuration is applied, the two routers fail to establish an OSPF neighbor relationship. What is the reason for the problem? Answer: Router 2 is using the default hello timer. Explanation: OSPF processes can differ on each router, and neighborship will form OSPF area must be the same to form adjacency. Hello and dead timers must match to form adjacency. OSPF default hello timer is 10 and dead timer is 40. In this case, our one hello timer was modified to 5 seconds. Timers was not changed on R2, hence using the default timers. Ready to ace your CCNA? Let's boost your brain with quick flashcards. Study smart. Save it, practice. See you soon for more flashcards, networking, labs, and CCNA tips.